Concrete is the backbone of modern construction, but if it is not done right, buildings can become dangerous. Let us understand concrete and structural safety in just 90 seconds. Concrete is made from cement, sand, aggregates, and water. The correct mix ratio is critical. Too much water weakens concrete, while poor materials reduce strength. Concrete is strong in compression, but weak in tension. That is why steel reinforcement, or rebar, is added to handle loads, prevent cracks, and improve durability. Curing is often ignored, but it is essential. Proper curing allows concrete to gain strength over time. Skipping this step can lead to cracks and early failure. Structural safety means designing buildings to withstand loads, like people, furniture, wind, and even earthquakes, without collapsing or deforming. Quality materials, skilled labor, engineering supervision, and safety standards are key to preventing structural disasters. Strong concrete saves lives. Build smart, build safe.